Hi everyone, this is a step-by-step guide on how to open the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 tablet. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet. To remove the screen, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this process, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the tablet heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to apply heat around the edges. Please note that some tablets may require additional heating to loosen the adhesive. Once the heating is completed, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the screen and the frame. It is recommended to place the suction cup near the sides of the screen. Once a gap is created, carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time, so be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to separate the adhesive. Next, gently lift the screen and flip it over to rest on the body. Next, remove the bracket by undoing two screws. And then unplug the battery connector. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug to free the screen from the body. You have now successfully opened the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 tablet.